All right, guys. So today we're going to learn how to order adjectives. Learn how to order adjectives. So at the top it says put the words in the right order to describe the noun. So we're going to come back to that, but first we're going to show you the key idea. So adjectives are words that tell you about a noun. Often, more than one adjective is used to describe the same noun. So, for example, she gave me long red silk roses. The adjectives long, red, and silk all describe the noun roses. When more than one adjective is used, the adjectives usually go in a certain order. This table shows that order. Okay, so the article, it says article, the. So we don't have anything for opinion, we don't have anything for size. The shape is flat. There's no age associated with it. Then the color is red. No origin. Then the material is brick. And then the noun is wall. So the flat red brick wall. Those are the adjectives. It explains. It's going in a certain order. So then the article and age, old, origin is Italian. Purpose, race, noun, car. So an old Italian race car. And then so article A, opinion, nice, size, little, purpose, camping, noun, stove. So a nice little camping stove. So a purpose or qualifier is often considered part of the noun. When you put a purpose or qualifier with a noun, the result is similar to a compound word race car, camping stove. All right, so now we can go back to the bottom. So the article A comes first. The adjective long tells you about the size, so it comes second. Then the adjective white tells you about the color, so it comes third. The noun corridor comes last. A long white corridor.